I'm gonna be using the white, and this one I know I might using just sugaring instead of sugaring. Sugaring, I like it. See, sometimes it's hard to pick which one, but I hope you give it a try and then see how it turn out. So again, you are doing the cheeky heart on this, and then you depend on the length of the client's nails. If you want to do like 2 heart or 3 hearts, I'm gonna do just 3 heart here. I'm gonna just dot it right here, just to mark the way I'm gonna draw the heart. And then you are adjusting accordingly to the clients if they are short nails or long nails. So now, just all you need to do is to give it like, I would do the quick V first. There's so many different way. If you have a big dot too, you can able to do. I'm going to do a V like that. And then V. Just mark it's really quick. You don't have to work perfect. And then now you can start drawing it. If you have a different way, I would love to hear from you, to share it from you, because I can learn it as well. I'm so excited. So pick up more, and you see that is my bristle is low just a little bit because it's so pigmented and it's so good thick consistency. So that's why I can able to draw with really confident. You see that it's not running nowhere. It's not like, it's just like watery. So it's really solid. So you see that it's coming along, and you keep filling up with that V stripe that I did, and you can make it bigger. You can stop at any point, okay? Okay, and then I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna move on the next one, and you go back and perfect it later. Do the same thing with this. You know what? I just realized that all the artists too, there's like really let the creativity soar. They're just like really creative. Even they follow one of the fundamental, like a basic stuff, or really freestyle. Do you think so? Hugh?
Mm-hmm.
What you think? All the artists.
Like, everybody got start somewhere.
No, but then they are doing it so different. Like, that's why it's like, Aussie. You just like see some of the basics, like a foundation step, and then you just create it. Like the same thing we're seeing all different nail artists. You just follow just the foundation, and then you just like, bam, just let your creativity soar. I love it. Even like my hand is feeling like it's shaky, but it doesn't affect my drawing at all. So since you already have the outline, you can able to make your heart a little bit bigger. Okay. And do not afraid of it's not going to be perfect, or because you see all different cute. The image now with the heart is come in different like shape and different sizes. So have fun with this. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. I'm not sure is anyone here. Is Dom here? If just in case you hear, hey Dom, how am I doing? She's so good at drawing. One of a Glitz brand ambassador, talented. Dom with Glitz for years. We first met when it's in back in 2018. She's so passionate about drawing. All right. Continue doing some of the smaller one. Hey, with the smaller one, I'm going to show you. I'm using this dot 2. I think doing a tiny little heart is the best to do with the dot 2 is easier. Instead of using the brush, you can using tiny little brush too, but the dot 2 will give you a really easy, like you're able to do 1, 2, and then 3. And you just connect them together. Hold on. I have a little first right here. Okay. I'm gonna get 1, 2, and then 3. Make it like a triangle, and then you can perfect it. 1, 2, and then you're doing it the 3 dots to make a triangle, and then you just connect them together. Right, anything else? You can add some more as you prefer. You don't want anything else, you can leave it as it is. What should we do? Should we do a light pink? Should we do this blush? Or should we do, we shouldn't do a blush, it's cute though.
Do the blush.
Alright. So you're happy? If you don't happy, you can fix it. You can make your hearts bigger. Or if it's smaller, you have to remove them. That's why we have a matte top coat underneath. In case of you are messing it up and you don't like it at all, you can always remove it, wipe it off with alcohol, and restart it. But make sure you put the matte top coat or shiny top coat on. Okay, so the blush. Again, all the sugar glitters, I got it from a Valentine's like special sugar glitter. However, you can get a single as you prefer. You don't have to get all 6 colors, but I love this 3 colors. Is the white blush and then the hot pink. Also, there's a rose gold. That's the what I colors, the crimsons there. It's so beautiful. And I have a magenta color. Actually, it just looks good. All right, I'm gonna do one more. I know Taylor's one of the also Glitz brand ambassador. She's put the glitter in a little bottles, and she just squeeze it out. It's really smart idea. You can also do that as well. But I'm just like scoop it right out from it. So that's why you see like a little bit messy. Sprinkle it and then go ahead and key it forward. See, so I was sharing it with you 3 different ways to do, 3 different simple designs, and I promise you will never go wrong with this. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not good at it, but I'm really having fun and confident doing it with no issue at all. So I can really easy doing it, and so do you. Especially for a lot of you doing it for the clients, get idea for you to create it some fun design. If you don't have any chamfer foil, if you don't have sticker, you don't have a crystal, your clients just want just cute sparkle sugaring without too dramatic, you can definitely offer this for your clients. Super adorable. You can do it on the top of the shiny top coat or the matte top coat. And here's a look, and then we're waiting for the other one to be here. And with this, after you're done, you don't have to top coat anything at all, unless the client's like, oh, they say I don't feel like I want this texture on it. Well, we have sugaring, you probably should feel the texture on it. But if the client says want just plain, they don't want texture or sugaring, you can definitely sprinkle the crystal clear powders on it. I was doing this one, but I want to show you the color of the blush. Beautiful. All right, dust off the remaining glitter. this one, sticking in the gel. Okay. And here you have it. Oh, they look so adorable. All right, a lot of you are asking this and want to see this. I hope you catch this live. If not, you can definitely watch replays on our platform, all Crocs channels, all across from different platform. We have it on TikTok, we have it on YouTube, we have on Facebook, and then also Twitch. I think it's safe for I don't know how long, but anyway, it's really fun. And usually you see me do a lot with crystals and chamfer foil and everything, but something that you can definitely achieve it with like no problem at all. So I'm just using this. It's just only 2 ingredients. When you do this design, only 2 ingredients. Unless you want to do, can you wipe this one on? Unless you want to do a sugaring, like, but I don't know what it calls, sugaring or powdering. Powdering, maybe that's what you call, to put the crystal clear on it if you don't want any glitter. But only 2 ingredients. All you need is gel painting and your sugar glitter. That's it. No crystal trifecta, no like chamfer foil gels, no sticker, nothing. No pre-seasoned glue gel even. This only you need is 2 ingredients, gel painting and sugar glitter or powdering, whatever you call it. So here you have this. You can create it so many out of it. If you don't want sugar glitter, you can do sugar powder. Oh, sugar glitter, yeah, sugar powder or whatever it is. Oh no, I don't imagine. Oh, thinking of the sugar powder to baking. All right, so I hope you're really enjoying it. A lot of you asked for it, and here it is. And I cannot wait to share you with the next videos. Also, enjoy is your subscription box is a huge is value in there, so do not miss out. And it's a great gift to your friends, your bestie, your sister, your husband, your wife, your daughter, your mom, your dad, whoever loves anything about the nail art. And for your significant others, it's great gift without breaking your bank if you sub for your loved one. And also whoever is receiving it is going to be so thrilled.